Hello everyone, I am going to talk about financial inclusion in Indian economy. I have divided my talk into three parts. In the first part, I'll talk about the evolution of financial inclusion. In the second part, I'll talk about the challenges faced by the government in implementing financial inclusion. In the third part, I'll talk about some of the government initiatives for financial inclusion. So coming to the first part, regarding evolution of financial inclusion, before pre-liberalization era, that is around 1991, financial inclusion was characterized by access to formal banking services. So during this period, government focused on financial inclusion by opening bank branches in rural areas. So around 1990s, there were emergence of microfinance institutions. These institutions played a critical role in giving loans to low-income households in rural areas. And in the era of 2000s, government promoted financial inclusion using Swabhiman campaign. It was a campaign to provide banking facilities to every village with a population of more than 2000. And around in 2014, government implemented Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. It was focused on opening more bank accounts. So coming to post 2010 era, financial inclusion was characterized by digital revolution in financial services. So because of the introduction of Aadhaar biometric, there were opening of millions of bank accounts. And currently we live in an era of UPI revolution characterized by digital payments. However, government has faced some challenges in implementing the financial inclusion in India. So first challenge is low financial literacy. Most of our population lives in rural areas and the education pertaining to financial literacy is very low. The second challenge is inadequate banking infrastructure. The number of bank branches and microfinance institutions in the rural areas and remote part of the countries are less. And third is the limited internet connectivity. So due to limited internet connectivity, a digital divide has evolved where the remote areas of our country are not able to access the financial services happening currently, like digital payments, etc. And second, one of the characteristic observed in the financial inclusion is there is gender disparity. It has been observed that women face more challenges in accessing banking and financial services. And recently, there have been regulatory challenges pertaining to fintechs. Now, I'll talk about some of the initiatives implemented by the government of India to promote financial inclusion. First is, government is implementing a national mission for financial inclusion where government is improving the banking infrastructure as well as they are providing financial literacy. And second initiative is PM Jan Dhan Yojana, where the number of bank accounts opening is increased in rural areas. And third is the direct benefit transfer due to Aadhaar and biometric authentication plus mobile and internet connectivity. The payments are directly transferred to the bank accounts of the people. And third is the Mudra Yojana. In this Yojana, financial credit is provided to small and medium enterprises. And currently, RBI has launched a financial inclusion index to track the amount of financial literacy and financial inclusion in the country. So coming to the current trend, the fintechs are the evolving tool in the current era. They are providing loans to people without collateral, and another tool is digital payments. Digital payments has enabled financial inclusion in our country. So to conclude, digital payments and fintechs are disrupting the financial sector services. Thank you.